All right, I'm not much of a drone guy, but what I'm doing here is, on this drones, it's the Potesic Dreamer. The camera on this is not that great, so sometimes I'll mount a GoPro to the bottom of it, and that's why I got that mount there. But what I'm doing here is I put a little rod on here, and I'm trying to make a drop mechanism for this little guy here. So it'll just sit on that rod. I'll go straight up. Got to get that rod totally right, and then as I pull away, it should drop the package. You know, pretty simple. No electronics involved or nothing, just mechanical. But just wanted to do something simple. I don't know if a parachute would be very good on this because I don't know how I could pack that parachute. You know, I got a little cheapy parachute. I would like to tie it to it, but I don't know. I'll have to work on that one. Just kind of basically trying to set up a military scene because I got a little truck here that I just got, and it's super cheap, and I got my little tank. So, you know, I want to be able to drop supplies to the crew. You know, this is not really even the right scale of vehicle to match up with my tank, but it was super cheap. It was like 50 bucks. So it's a 6-wheel drive. So what the heck, man? It works. All right, guys, here's the setup. This box is just wide enough so that the legs can set down on it. I might have to hold the drone when I start it up. I don't know. We'll see. Like I say, I'm an amateur drone driver, and it'll probably just fly off the table and land on the grass. Come on. Okay, well, it works. Okay, let's see if I can drop the box. So it's been raining a lot, and I haven't been able to get out that much, but this is kind of cool. The drone, for some reason, created like a vortex of fog. As you'll see it as it comes down. It's kind of cool looking. I got to drop the box though, and I don't know what I'm doing. I've never even read the manual on this drone. There we go. Check out the fog. You don't even see the drone. It's like a stealth drone coming on in. That's pretty cool. Will it pick up the box? Yeah, this is like when I first got the drone, man. I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't, but I don't know. I had a good time with it. I just like experimenting mostly. It's not a very good drone, and I really don't feel like registering a drone because I think it's beyond the weight limit that you have to register.
This is getting pretty frisky.
Alright guys, I think I'll about do it on this little drone video. It's a nice little drone actually. I mean, I've got 3 batteries, and they're all new batteries. I haven't really got much flight time. I've got 2 controllers. I don't know if I can bind the other controller to this because actually I had the Potesic Dreamer 4K and I totally crashed it and destroyed it. But yeah, I have fun with it. I'm going to get it out there and try to really do a really nice scene with all my Army stuff that I got, the few little things. And even this little guy, you can do a little claymation with him if you want. You know, it's just fun stuff. I mean, this thing was $6. I mean, come on, that's pretty cheap. They have really nice figurines in, you know, like from Japan and stuff, but they're like $150. They're really nice. Anyways, I'm going to be signing off. That's my little drone footage. Potesic Dreamer Pro. I think it's not 4K. It's like 1080 or something on the camera. I mean, it works okay. All right, you guys take care. Stay dry.